I have said it to her.
Olen sanonut hänelle.
Yes, that's to her. I have said to her, but it to her.
Olen sanonut.
Let's say we are talking about, I have said that damn thing a million times to her. She should put her clothes to the washing machine or so. So is it certain state or uncertain state if we are talking about this very specific action that she should do?
Certain state?
Yes. So how is I have said it to her?
Olen sanonut sen hänelle.
Yes, very good. How would you say I have never said it to her? To create never, we are going into because. So it's kind of funny. To get nothing, we go into what, or in other words, we go into mi, uncertain state, and to get never or ever, we go into because. To remember this because and never and ever connection, you can think about the sentence which you might have heard. I'm never gonna do it because I don't have the time. I'm never gonna do it because I'm afraid. I'm never gonna do it, blah, 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 blah. So if you think about this sentence, you will remember the connection. So if you have koska and you go into koska, how is never?
Koskaan.
Koskaan, yes, 2 A's and F, koskaan. So how is I have never said it to her?
En ole sanonut koskaan.
You can, it's either way. It's either way.
En ole koskaan sanonut, is it okay?
Yeah, it's very flexible. Finnish word order is very flexible. So use whichever order you want.
En ole sanonut koskaan sitä hänelle.
Yes, but I have never said about,
To it to her or about.
Actually, I have never said about it. So I have never said about it to her. So in this case, if we want to say about, then it's from, but I have never said it to her. You know, in English, sometimes you can drop the about in this. You could say it without the about. In Finnish, generally, you could say it with sit as well. But if we want the about version, how is it? I have never said about it to her.
En ole koskaan sanonut siitä hänelle.
Yes. And if you wanted to be very emphatic, if you wanted to emphasize the never, you could put it at the beginning. How would it be? Never I have said about it to her. Or that's one possible. Never I haven't said about it to her. Or you could say I don't or I haven't never said about it to her. So how would it be first off putting the never at the beginning? Never I have said about it to her.
En koskaan.
That's possible as well. So en koskaan, or what is having the never at the beginning?
Koskaan.
Koskaan, and the rest, how is it?
Koskaan en ole sanonut siitä hänelle.
Yes, so you can have koskaan en ole sanonut siitä hänelle. En koskaan ole sanonut siitä hänelle. En ole sanonut siitä koskaan hänelle. En ole sanonut koskaan siitä hänelle, or siitä koskaan. Very, very flexible.
It's also possible in the last.
En ole sanonut siitä hänelle koskaan. That's also possible. So, as we can see, Finnish word order with words like this can be very flexible. But in a certain position, you might be more emphatic. You might like say never, you might put the more emphasis on the word never in different positions, but the emphasis is something that you will learn in live context with the hand expressions or facial expressions and such. But you might have noticed a thing that for many Finns, or me as well, it might be a little difficult sometimes with English dealing with the word order, because the Finnish word order is really flexible compared to the English word order. If we want to be really talking with the standard English word order, then it's very strict compared to Finnish. So it's again one of these things that you can experience with Finnish. If you're learning Finnish or speaking Finnish compared to English, you can be really flexible with your flow of thinking. You can put the never into 5 different places in this sentence, so it's a lot more freedom for you.